How to switch back to personal account on Instagram? Let's see how to do it. For doing this process, first of all, open your Instagram, tap on profile icon, tap on three dot icon in the top right corner, scroll down, tap on account type and tools, tap on account type, and here you can see a option switch account type. Tap here, switch to personal account, again switch to personal account, just wait for some times. By doing this process, you can successfully switch back to personal account on Instagram. Thank you so much everyone. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.